In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter reports by customers, vendors, and products in QuickBooks Online. To get started, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Reports. From there, choose Standard Reports. This section gives you access to the built-in reports available in QuickBooks Online, and it's where you can quickly find the data you want to review. Once you're in Standard Reports, you'll see a list of reports you can run for your QuickBooks data. These reports cover a wide range of accounting and business activity, so if you already know which report you need, go ahead and select it. If not, take a moment to scan the list and choose the one that best fits what you're trying to analyze. After you select a report, QuickBooks will run it and load the results on your screen. When the report is open, look to the top right corner and click Customize. This is where you can fine-tune the report and make it much more specific to what you need. Inside the customization panel, you'll have access to filter tools. These filters are especially useful when you want to narrow down a report instead of looking at all available transactions or records at once. This can save time and make your reports much easier to read. From the filter options, select whether you want to filter by customer, vendor, or product. Choose the option that matches the type of information you want to isolate in the report. For example, if you only want to see activity related to one customer, one vendor, or a particular product, this is where you do that. Next, change the condition to match how you want the filter to work, and then enter the value for that condition. In other words, you're telling QuickBooks exactly what to include in the report. Be careful when entering the value so the results match what you're looking for. You can also add more filters here if you want to narrow the report down even further. This is helpful if you want a more detailed view and need to focus on a specific part of your data. Once everything looks good, click Apply. QuickBooks will refresh the report using the filters you selected, and your updated results will appear. And that's it. That's how to filter reports by customers, vendors, and products in QuickBooks Online. If you want cleaner, more targeted reports, using the Customize and Filter tools is one of the easiest ways to get there.